to all viewers and dear students. Today we have a new course that is related to Punjab text boards and Lahore's exercise. We start exercise 1.2. Rationalize the denominator of the following term. Exercise 1.2. Rationalize question number 1. The denominator of the following. This question is related to exercise 1.2. First, there are so many parts, 6 parts. We are doing this one by one. 13. First part, 13 divided by 4 plus 3 under the root, square root. Now how we calculate this value? Look here, rationalize the denominator. First of all, we understand what is rationalize. Rationalize means in the denominator term, if the square root in the form of available a plus or minus b square root. For example, this is in the denominator and square root value is positive and negative. We will change and we will conjugate of these numbers. So this means that in the rationalization, if a plus b square root or a minus b square root are available in the denominator term, what is denominator? Denominator is, we can say that in a fraction, numerator divided by denominator. Here, if this term is in the form of this one, so we will change, rationalize according to their, we will get their conjugate of this question. What is conjugate? Conjugate means here if the sign is positive, we will change into negative. Other part, if negative is available in the question, so this will be changed into positive. Now here in the denominator, 4 plus 3 square root are in the form of rationalization. So we are taking their conjugate. We are taking conjugate. Conjugate means here the sign is also changed. Here is positive, we change into negative. 4 minus 3 square root and 4 minus 3 square root. Now according to the, so we are multiplied to each other. 13 multiplied by 4 minus 3 under the root, and here we are using the formula a plus b and 2. So here is multiplication, it means that this is bracket and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. According to this formula, here we are simplifying this function. So here a square minus b square. So we multiply this one, 52, 13 multiplied by 4, we get 52 minus, here the coefficient of this one is here 1. So we multiply 13 multiplied by 1, 3 square root divided by, here we get 16. 4 square means here 4 square means here 4 is 2 times, we get 16, and 16 minus this is cancelled to each other, so we get here 3. Now we get all the simplification of this one, 52 minus 13 into 3 under the root, and we get here 13. Now look here in the denominator, so the square root form of positive and negative are changed, so we can also write 52 divided by 30 and 13 3 under the root divided by 13. So at least that here we both are cancelled to each other, so that will be cancelled and this is also cancelled. We get here 4 minus 3 under the root is the we have rationalized. Now look here in the denominator, just we have remaining 1, so that is called the question number 1, exercise 1.2. Now we are proceeding to the next part. 2 square root plus 3 and 5 square root divided by 3 square root. How we can rationalize this function? Look here, here we can write 0 plus, so the same we get answer, but in the question is not available, so we can write this question 2 square root plus 5 square root and here 3 square root is multiplied by their conjugate. It means that we can multiply by this term minus 3, 0 minus 3 and 0 minus 3. Now we multiply the denominator term, 0 is multiplied by something, all terms are 0. Now minus 3 square root into 2 square root plus 5 square root divided by, and here we can use here according to the rule, if two terms are same here, so it means that we can write minus 3 square. If the bases are same, so we add their exponent. So here exponent is also 1 and here 1 plus 1 we get 2 and this will be cancelled with square root, so we will get here minus 3. So we can write minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 if we multiply this term minus 3 under the root and 2 under the root, minus into plus minus 3 under the root and 5 under the root divided by, this will be cancelled to each other, we get here minus 3. Now this minus 3 is again we are divided by this term minus 3 divided by minus 3 and 2 under the root minus 3 under the root and 5 under the root divided by minus 3. Now this minus is cancelled and this minus is changed into positive. We can write minus 3 under the root and 2 under the root divided by 3 minus and minus plus and 3 under the root and 5 under the root divided by 3. Now similarly according to the property, we have the property a square root and b square root. According to the square root property, we can write this will be ab square root. According to this property, we can write this question. So also another property, if both are multiplied, this will be we take in one square root, so we can write 3.2 square root divided by 3 plus, and here is also we can write 3.5. Dot means here multiplication divided by 3. Now we get here 6 under the root divided by 3 plus 15 under the root divided by 3 is the required answer. Now 2 under the root minus 1 divided by 5 under the root. The same process we are taking here is positive. We are multiplying by their conjugate. We can write this question. We can write 2 under the root minus 1 0 plus 5 under the root. Now we are taking this sign is conjugate. Minus 5 under the root divided by 0 minus 5 square root. Now multiply numerator, so 0 is multiplied by both terms, so both are 0, and we get here minus 5 under the root and 2 under the root minus 1 divided by 5 under the root. According to the previous question, 5 under the root whole square. Now this term both are cancelled to each other, they are positive to each other, we can write. So we 5 under the root into 2 under the root minus 1 divided by, we get both are cancelled, this one also we get here 5. So if we are further simplify, we can write 5 under the root and 2 under the root minus 5 under the root divided by 5. Now further we can also simplify this result according to the property we have already done. 5 into 2 we take in 1 square root minus 5 square root divided by 5. This will we will get here 10 square root minus 5 under the root divided by 5 is, and further we can also simplify this result in 10 under the root divided by 5 minus 5 under the root divided by 5 is the required answer. 6 minus 4 under the root 2 divided by 6 plus 4 under the root 2. How we calculate to rationalize it? Here in the denominator term we are trying to finish from square root. So we are multiplying and dividing by their conjugate of this. So we can write 6 minus 4 under the root 2 multiply and also divides, because on the question this will be no effect, so both are cancelled to each other, we get 1. Similarly here now the first term of the denominators is multiplied by both terms, 6 minus 4 under the root 2. Similarly second term is also multiplied by 6 minus both terms, and the denominator we are using formula a plus b, and to a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. According to this formula we can write 6 square minus 4 under the root 2 whole square. Now first of all we are multiplying this term, 6 multiplied by 6 36, and 6 multiplied by 4 we get 24, 2 under the root minus, and 6 multiplied by 4 we get here 24 and 2 under the root, and minus into minus plus 16 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 we get 16, and 2 square root multiplied by 2 square root we can write 2 under root square, because the bases are same so we add their powers. And here 36, 6 multiplied by 6 36, 6 2 multiplied by 2, that is wrong, that is your great mistake, crucial mistake. And here we can also write 4 square and 2 square root square. Okay, we cannot cancel directly because some of the students has directly cancelled. This is a great mistake, that is your mistake. So further we simplify this result, 36 minus 24 and minus 24, because here base are same so we add their coefficient, minus 24 we get here minus 48, 2 under the root, and plus 16, and this term both are cancelled sorry for that, and we get 2 divided by 36 minus 4 square means 4 is 2 times are multiplied, so we get here 16 into also this 2 and square root are cancelled, we get here 2. Now further we can write the simplification of this question is 36 minus 48, 2 under the root, plus 16 multiplied by 2, 32, and 36 minus 32. Now 36 and 32 are minus to each other, we get here 4 minus 48, 2 under the root divided by 4. If we take common here, taking common, so 4 is common, so we get 4 1 multiplied by 4, and 4 multiplied by 12 we get 48, 2 under the root divided by 4. Now this 4 and 4 are cancelled, we get the rationalized has 1 minus 12 under the root 2 is the required answer of this question. Part 5, question number 1, part 5. 3 under the root minus 2 under the root divided by 3 under the root plus 2 under the root. How we can rationalize? Rationalize means we are finishing the square root from the denominator term. So we are rationalize here is minus. It means that we are taking the conjugate of this term, multiply and divide by the same value, just only change the sign of this one. Now the numerators and the numerators are both are multiplied. Here 3 under the root with the first value both are multiplied. 3 under the root minus 2 under the root minus, and the second value same we are multiplied. 3 under the root minus 2 under the root into divide always a plus b and a minus b, we get here a square minus b square. So we use here 3 under the root whole square minus 2 under the root whole square according to this formula. Now this 3 under root are multiplied to each other. Minus 3 under the root and 2 under the root, minus 2 under the root and 3 under the root, minus into plus minus plus, and 2 under the root and 2 under the root. This 2 square root are cancelled. 3 minus the same, these 2 are cancelled, we get here 2. Now look here, the bases are same according to this property. X bases are same. So we add the power here, exponent we are added here. Here exponent is here is 1 and here is also 1. So we add their power 3 square minus, we cannot add their power because we can write in one property we can write 3.2. Similarly we can write 2.3 and 1 square root plus, and here is once again their power is 1 and bases are same. So we add their powers divided by, and here 3 minus 1 we get here 2 is equal to, once again we can, this is cancelled to each other because square are cancelled with the square root. The square root is equal to 1 by 2. We get here 3 minus 6 under the root minus 6 under the root plus 2 divided by 1. 1 is already in the denominator, so we can write in this form also. 3 minus 3 plus 5 we get here 5, and 6 under the root and 6 under the root here coefficient are must be according to this property minus x, so we can write minus 2x according to this property. Here we can write this value. Or another property we are using a square root plus b square root. A square root we can write 2a square root. Here we can write 2 under the root 6, which is the required answer of this question. Here we are using the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here 7 under the root whole square minus 3 under the root whole square according to this formula. So we are multiply this both terms, 4 3 under the root and 7 under the root minus 4 under the root 3 and 2 4 3 under the root. So both are cancelled. This is also cancelled. We get not 7. We get here 7 minus 3. Also we can write this equation if we can simplify this one, and we take here 4 under the root. We cannot multiply here because here there will be cancelled the denominator. 7 under the root minus 3 under the root divided by 4. This 4 is cancelled. We get here 3 under the root and 7 under the root minus 3 under the root into 3 under the root. According to the property, we can write this one 21 under the root minus 3 under the root whole square. So this will be cancelled. 21 under the root minus 3 is the correct option of this question. Question number 2. The following 81 question number part 1 81 divided by whole exponent we can write minus. Look here, according to the property of the exponent we are using, it means that some terms are available from the denominator. We have the information about from the denominator term of the exponent. Here 4, here it means that there is one integer is available 81. If we multiply 4 times, so we will get the answer. It means that here if we get 81, if we factorize 3, we get here 27 and 3 9 3 3 and 3 into 3. It means that 81 we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, so we get here 3 power 4. Similarly, here is 16 is also 16, we can write 2 8 2 4 and 2 2 and 2 1. That means that here 16 we can write 2 dot 2 dot 2 dot 2 is equal to 2 power 4. Now we can simplify from the denominator. We have the information, give the complete information in the fraction of the exponent term. From the denominator we have the information 3 power 4 and 2 power 4 is the whole minus 3 by 4. Now according to the double exponent rules, we have x divided by y, m and n, and this will be n, for example. So both are multiplied. It means that this n is multiplied on both both. Here is y, y and l. According to this exponent rules, we have apply here 3 4 into minus 3 by 4. Similarly 2 and 4 minus 3 by 4. So both are cancelled to each other and we get here 3 power minus 3 and 2 power minus 3. Now the negative exponent rule, here we have minus x power minus n, we can change into positive. This is the rule in the exponent rule. So this will be changed into the positive and here will be changed into positive. So we get here, it means that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 3, so we get here 8 and 27. 2 3 by 4 minus 2 divide 4 by 9 3 into 16 divided by 7. We try to simplify. Simplify means further simplification is not possible. How we can calculate? First of all, look here. This rule is we change into positive. If we change to the positive, there are many rules according to this property. First of all, look here, a divided by b. So we can write here minus m. If we change this value, so the denominator is changed into the numerator. Here is the change, so this will be positive. Why? Because look here, we can change b power is changed and also this will be changed, so both will be, or we can write 1 divided by a divided by b m according to this rules. So we can write a power, it means that the power of b, if we change this will be changed b power m, a power m and b power m. So this will be changed b power m into a power m. According to this rules, we are applying here 1 divided by 3 power 4 plus 2. According to these rules, so divide 4 by 3 whole cube into 1627. According to this rules, 4 will be going up. So first of all, we change this result 3 square and first of all, we change this result 1 divided by 3 square and 4 square and divide by 4 by 3 whole cube into 16 divided by 27. Now we change according to this rules b power m and a power n. Here we can write 4 square divided by 3 square because this will be changed into the numerator term. Divide by 4 power 3. That means that 4 power 3 and 3 power 3 multiply by 16 divided by 27. Divided by 3 square and this multiplication is changed into the denominator. So this will be changed here 3 cube and 4 cube multiply by 1627. Now this 4 square are cancelled and cube is cancelled, 3 square are cancelled and cube is remaining. We get here 3 divided by 4 and 16 divided by 27. So we get here 4 and 16 are cancelled, 3 and 9 27 are cancelled. We get here 4 divided by 9. 0.027 whole power minus 1 by 3. Look here, from the fraction of the denominator tell us there is an integer which is available 3 times, so we will get this integer. First of all, and here we try to finish the decimal part, so we can write 27 and point replace with 0.1 and other integers are 0 are put 0 0 0. There are 3 integers, so we can write 3 0. In replace of 1 we put 1 and we finish the value of 1 by 3. Now we have already discussed there is in the denominator fraction is 3 is available, is giving complete information any integer is available. If we multiply 3 times we get the answer. Here is 27, we can write 3 power 3 and similarly 1000 we can write 10 power 3. So we can write 10 power 3 is equal to 10 is multiplied by 3 times we get here 1000. Similarly here 3 power 3 we get here 3 multiplied by 3 we get here 27. Now the same process here we do. Now double exponent are available according to the double exponent property we have already discussed. X power m, x power n, l, that is double exponent property according to x m l both are multiplied to each other, and also this is also multiplied by this one n l. Now look here, we are applying this property. We can write 3 power into minus 1 by 3 and divide by 10 3 power 1 by minus 3. So both are cancelled, these are cancelled. So we have the remaining term is 3 power minus 1 and 10 power minus 1. Now according to the property x power minus 1, we can change x power n, x power positive n. Similarly here is this will be changed into positive 10 power 1 and this will be changed 1. So we get here 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3 is the answer of this question. 7 is the index form of this one. X14 into Y21 and Z35 divided by y 14 and z power 7. Here index, this is 7 is called index, that is called predicate according to the radical equation, radical form. So first of all we change this form is we can write x14 into y21 into z35 divided by y14 and z7 whole power is 1 over 7. This is the index form. Now it means that this is double exponent rules we are applying. This term is multiplied by each power x14 into 1 by 7 into y21 into 1 by 7. Similarly z35 into 1 over 7 divided by y14 into 1 over 7 into z 7 into 1 over 7. Where simplification is possible, simplify and 7 3 and 7 5 both are cancelled, 7 2 and 7 are cancelled. We have the immediate term is here x square into y cube into z power 5 divided by y square and z. We cannot cancel to each other because we have simplify. Simplify means that you are needed to use some principles, some rules, some exponent rules. Here x square is not available, so we can write x square, and here we are using the quotient rule or division rule when bases are same. Base are same and there will be division is available, so we take one base and subtract their power. Here division is available, so we can write 3 minus 2. Similarly here z power minus 1, here is 1. According to this exponent rule we can write x square y and z power 4 is the required answer of this question. 5 25 n plus 1 into minus 25 dot 5 whole power 2n divided by 5 into 5 whole power 2n plus 3 minus 25 whole power n plus 1. We are needed to simplify this term according to the sum rules. Now first of all we have write this form is 25. We try to 25 we can write according to the product rules, so we can write 5 square. So solution of this question 5 and 5 square into n plus 1. Similarly here we can write 5 square and 5 power 2n divided by 5 into 5 2n plus 3 minus, and here we can write 5 square n plus 1. Now here according to the double exponent rules x power mn is equal to x and n. We are multiplied to each other these two terms. According to this we are open this one 5 and 5 2n plus, or first we multiply 2 plus n 1 2 and 2n plus 1 minus, and here bases are same, so we add their power. Here base are same, so we add their power 5 2n plus 2 divide by, similarly here again the base are same, so we add their power 2n plus 1 to 3 and 2 plus 1 minus, And here double exponent rule, here we are using 2 into n plus 1. Further we can also simplify, we multiply this term and also we the rules applies here. First we apply the multiplication rule, bases are same, so we give the power here 2 into n plus 1 minus and 5 2n plus 2 divided by 5. Here look here, 2 3 plus 1 4 2n plus 4 minus 5 2 into n plus 1. 2 into plus 1 and plus 1 minus 2 and plus 2 divided by 5 2n plus 4 minus 5 2n plus 1. If we take here common, so what will happen? 5, we first we multiply 2n plus 2 plus 1 minus 5 2n plus 2 divided by 5 2n plus 4 minus 5 2n plus 1. Further look here, if we this term is common, so 5 power 1 is remaining. We try to common 5 2 n plus 2 into 5 power 1 minus 5 2 n plus 2 divided by 5 2 n plus 4 minus 5 2n plus 1. If we take here common, 5 power 2n plus 2 is common, so here 5 and minus 1 is remaining divided by 5 power 2n plus 4 minus 5 2n plus 1. We get here 4 into 5 2 n plus 2 divided by 5 2n plus 4 minus 5 2n plus 1. 5 power 2n plus 2 divided by this term 2n plus 2 we get here. We can write 5 2n plus 4 minus 2n plus 2. Now it means that where this term is, we can write plus 4, we can write plus 4, we can write plus 4, 2 plus 2. And the exponent, we simplify this term further. So 5 into 2n plus 2 divided by 5 2n plus 2 plus 2 minus 5 2n plus 2. Now look here, we can write these terms. Further we can do one steps. 2n plus 2 divided by 5 2n plus 2 n to 5 power 2. This is our same, so we have the power minus 5 2n plus 2. Now we take common, this term is common, 4 5 2n plus 2 divided by 5 2n plus 2 is common here. So here is 5 square minus here coefficient is 1 is remaining. So we can write further 5 2n plus 2 divided by 5 2n plus 2 into 25 minus 1. This is cancelled to each other. We get 4 divided by 24 and 24 also cancel. 1 and 6 we get 1 over 6 is the 16 whole power x plus 1 plus 24 power 2x divided by 2 power x minus 3 multiply 8x plus 2. Now look here, according to this values we can write this value 16 we can write 2 power 4. We get 2 power 4, we can here 2 power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, we get 4, 8 and 16. We get here 16. So this will be equal to x plus 1 plus and 20 we can write here 20, 2 power 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by and also 2 20 if we write here by this method, so we can write 2 multiply by 5, 20 is right, and 4 2x divided by 2x minus 3 plus multiply, this is multiply, and 4 is also 2 power 3 x plus 2. According to the double exponent rule, here we are using 4 into x plus 1 plus we can write this will be 4 because there is 4 into 5 into 4 power 2x divided by 2x minus 3 multiply, this is multiply 2 power double exponent or multiply 3x plus 2. Now further simplify 4x plus 1 plus we can write this is 2x 2x plus 1 bases are same, so we add their power and 5 divided by 2 and 2 bases are same, so we add the power x minus 3 plus 3 and 2 x plus 2. Now 2 here is 2x and here is 4x plus 1 4x plus 4 and plus 2x plus 1 into 5 divided by 2 and 2 will be here simplify 2x minus 3 plus 3x plus 6. Now we can simplify further 4x plus 4 plus 2x plus 1 into 5 divided by here 3x minus plus x we get 4x and 6 minus 3 we get plus 3. Now 2x plus 1 and here 2x plus 1 is required to each term. If we take common from these terms, both are cancelled to each other, so we can write this term 2 power 4x and here is 4 power 2x, so this will be simplified further. We can write 2 and 2 4x plus 4 plus this 4 is required, we can write 2 power 2 and 2x plus 1 divided by and 5 and 4x plus 3. Further we can write this terms 2 and 4x plus 4 plus this term is multiplied to each other according to the double exponent rule, 4x plus 2 into 5 divided by 2 into 4x plus 3 is taking common from this term because we can write 4x plus 2 plus 2. 4 is required, this 4 we can write 2 plus 2 4 because 4x plus 2 must be same, and 2 4x plus 2 into 5 divided by 2 into 4x plus 3, and this term is taking common, so 2 power 2 is remaining. 2 we can write 2 4x plus 2 into 2 power 2 plus 2 into 4x plus 2 into 5 divided by 2 into 4x plus 2 and plus 1 we can write. 3 we can write 2 plus 1 because this will be cancelled each other. So now 3 this will is taking common from these two terms. We can write here 2 and 4x plus 2 is common, and we get here 2 square plus and 5 is remaining. Similarly here we can expand this from 4x plus 2 into 2 power is 1, so this is cancelled to each other, and we get here 2 power 2 is 4 plus 5 and divided by 2 we get here 9 divided by 2. 64 whole power minus 2 by 3 divide 9 minus 3 by 2. Look here, dear students, first of all I have discussed in the fraction you will check about the formation of the denominator. Here is 3, it means there some integer is available. If we multiply 3 times, so we get the answer. So here is we can write 4 power 3. So 4 power 3 we get 64 minus 2 by 3 divide, and 9 we get 3 square and minus 3 divided by 2. So we can simplify this result. 4 3 card into double exponent and divide 3 square and minus 3 divided by 2. This will be cancelled to each other. We get here 4 minus 2 divide 3 power minus 3. So we can write this result 1 by 4 square and divide 1 divided by 3 cube. Now in the case of multiplication this will be changed. So we can write 4 square multiplied by 3 power 3 divided by 1. So we can get here 27 and divided by 16 is the answer of this question. Now they both are not cancelled to each other because the first integer is odd number and here is in the denominator is even number, so they cannot cancel to each other. Three power n multiplied by 9 power n plus 1 divided by 3 power n minus 1 multiplied by 9 power n minus 1. This is very simple question, but you are remember here 3 is used, must be 3 here you bring, and here is also 3, and here you must bring 3. So we can write further simplify this result 3 power n and multiply 9 we can write 3 square n plus 1 divided by 3 n power n minus 1 multiplied by 3 square n minus 1. According to the double exponent property we have already discussed. So according to this property x power mn, so we can write x mn. According to this property we are using here. So 3 power n multiplied by 3 and 2n plus 1 divided by 3 n minus 1 multiplied by 3 2n minus 1. Now look here, the first we multiply this term 3n multiplied by 3 2n plus 2n plus 2 divided by 3 power n minus 1 multiply 3 2n minus 2. Now bases are same, so in case of multiplication we first add the power 3, we take just only one base and add their exponent 2n plus 2. Similarly in the denominator we take one base, so we add their powers 2n minus 2. Now first we simplify this result, n plus 2n we get here 3n plus 2 divided by 3. So 2n plus n we get here 3n, and minus 1 and minus 2 we get here minus 3. The bases are same in case of division, so we take their one base and we subtract their power according to this rule. X power n and x power n is equal to xmn. Here n is this value and n is this value. We subtract their power, we take just only one base, and here 3n plus 2 minus and 3n plus minus 3. Some students are mistake, there is not taking here just like they are writing this, so your question is wrong because this minus effect on the brackets. So and 3n plus 2 minus 3n minus into minus plus 3. 3 and minus 3 both are cancelled, and 2 plus 3 we get here 5. 5 we get, and 5 if we 3 times multiply and 5 times multiply, so this will be 9. 9 into 9, this will be 81. 81 is multiplied by, we get here 20. 243. This is the answer of the 5n plus 3 exponent minus 6.5 n plus 1 exponent divided by 9 multiplied by 5n minus 2n into 5n. So look here, there are different rules the teacher are using. So here is 5n and here is 5n. So if we are make 5n's from this term, so directly we calculate this result. So look here, 5n into 5 3. So bases are same, so we add their power, just we eliminate these two terms. Minus 6 5 power n into 5 power 1. So similarly 9 we can write 3. 9 we can write 3 square, and 5 power n minus 2 power n into 5 power n. Now look here, 5 power n are taking common from the first common, so we get here 5 cube minus, and here 6 into 5. 5 is also taking common in here, but here we take, look here, 5 n is common, 5 divided by 5 power n is common from the denominator term also, we get here 3 square minus 2n. Now this is cancelled to each other, we get here 125 minus 30 divided by 9 minus 2 power n. Further simplification is not possible because further simplification of this question, if we subtract here, so 5 and we get 5 12 9 95 9 minus 2 power n. For x is equal to 3 plus 8 square root, then find the values of, then find the value of, there are 6 parts. The first parts we are doing here, x plus 1 over 6. Dear students, question are changing, but you must be the methods. So first of all, look here, we are finding the value of x plus 1 over x. It means that x is present. Just we are taking here, consider the term the term first 1 by x, and 1 divided by x is already given, 3 plus 8 under the root. Look here, dear students, we have already discussed in the first question in the rationalizations, if the denominator square root is available, so we try to finish this terms. So here we finish plus square root of 8, so it means that we are taking the conjugate of this term is multiply 3 minus 8 under the root and divide by the 8 square root. It means that here we are multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of this terms. So nominators are multiplied to each other. 1 multiplied by 3 minus 8 under the root divided by, according to their, here we are using formula, here is minus, sorry for that one, minus, here a plus b and a minus b, so both are multiplying here. We are using a square minus b square formula. According to this formula, we can write a square minus 8 under the root whole square. First one is multiplied, so we get the same term, and here we have 3 square is 9, and square these are cancelled to each other, so we get 8. 3 minus 8 under the root divided by 1, so we can write this term minus 8 under the root. This implies that not is equal to. This implies that means that we are going back to the question. Here we have already found x plus 1 by x. Now we are add this term x plus 1 over x. Now x is given that 3 plus 8 square root plus 1 over x, we have 3 minus 8 under the root. 1 is positive, 1 is negative, so both are cancelled. We get here 6. 6 is the answer of this question. Similarly, we are trying to solve the second part of this question is x minus 1 by 1 over x. The same process we are doing here. There is the same process 1 by x. First we find here, but here is saying just value in this question minus effect. So this question we write the full term of this one, because minus effect, the term x value is 3 plus 8 under the root minus and 3 minus 8 under the root. We have done this values. Now minus effect this term, so 3 plus 8 under the root minus 3 minus into minus plus 8 under the root. Now 3 minus 3 and plus 3 are cancelled. 8 under the root, 8 under the root. We get here 2 under the root a. So it means that this is the answer of this question according to the rule. A under the root plus a under the root. We add their coefficient. So we can write 2a under the root. According to this rule, we add this terms. Now the third term is required x square plus 1 over x square. Now this is your choice. You can also find third part from this one, x plus 1 x, and from the second part. This is your choice. For example, I be same x square plus 1 over x square is unknown. From the third part, we have already done 1 over x. We have found in the first steps. We have found this one. We get 6. And this term of this one we have already found 3. Our x is 3 minus 8 under the root. We have found this term fx plus 1 over x. So we get here 3 plus 8 under the root minus 3 minus 8 under the root. This will be, if we are adding, so they will be adding, so this will be cancelled. We get here x plus 1 over x. Now taking square on both sides, taking square on both sides of this equation. So x plus 1 over x whole square is equal to 6 whole square. Now according to the formula a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, we have the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab according to this formula. So we are applying here x square plus 1 over x whole square plus 2 into ab is equal to 36. These are cancelled to each other. So we get here x square plus 1 x square. 1 square is 1 and x square is also, we take x square plus 2 is equal to 36. Now we change this value. We are subtracting 2 from each side of this equation. Plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 36 minus 2, both are cancelled. X square plus 1 over x square is equal to 34 is the answer of this question. Third part, x square minus 1 over x square. Now look here, according to the formula we are using a square minus b square. We have a minus b into a plus b. According to this formula we can write this from a square. It means that x a square minus b square. So we can write this from a minus b into a plus b. According to this formula we have already done the answer of this question. We have done x plus minus effect to the other. We have already done 1 over x is equal to 3 minus 8 under the root. If we have already in the first question x plus 1 over x is equal to 3 plus 8 under the root, plus 3 minus 8 under the root, both are cancelled to each other. This will be 6. And x minus 1 over x we have found 3 plus 8 under the root minus and 3 plus 8 under the root. Now these are cancelled, we get here 2 under the root 8. We have already done in the first question, in the first part of this question. So we substitute the result here, x minus 1 over x 2 under root 8, and similarly x plus 1 over x we get here 6. If we multiply these two, we get here 12 under root 8 is the required. We can further simplify this term. We can write 5, 8 square root, we can 4 into 2. So it means that 12 into 2 under the root 2. So we can write 24 under the root 2 is the required answer of this. x4 plus 1 over x4. So we have already done x minus 1 over x. For example, I am solving from the first part x plus 1 over x. We have done already x plus 1 over x is equal to 6. Now taking on square on both sides of this question, we have already done in the first part. So according to the formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab into ab is equal to 36. This is cancelled. We get here x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 36 minus 2. We get here 34. Now x4 is equal, again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides of this equation. If we take square of this equation, plus 1 over x square whole square is equal to 34 whole square. So 34 whole square is required. So if you have no calculator, so we double multiply this one, 16, 13, and we get here 6 and 5, 1, 1. So look here, according to the formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab and we get here 11, 5, 6. Both are cancelled. This will be according to the double exponent, x4 plus 1 over x4 plus 2 is equal to 1156. Now we subtracting 2 from each sides of this equation, or we change this result to the right side. Sign is also changed. x4 plus 1 over x4 is equal to 1156 minus 2. We get here 1154 is the answer of the fourth part. Now the last question, x minus 1 over x whole square is required. Look here, we have already done in the previous question of second part and third part and the first part. So x we have already done is given there, 1 over x is given there, we have done 3 minus 8 under the root, and x minus 1 over x we have done here 3 plus 3 plus 8 under the root and minus 3 and plus 8 under the root. So this will be cancelled to each other. 3 minus 3 plus 3 we get here 2 under the root 8 we have done already. So it means that we have square on both sides is required. X minus x 1 over x taking square on both sides of this. So we will get here x minus 1 over x whole square is equal to 2 square and 8 under the root whole square according to the property. So we get here 4 and this is cancelled. We get here 8 and we get 32. That means that here x minus 1 over x whole square is equal to 32 is the required answer. Thank you very much for watching and also subscribe my channel. More and more. Thanks again for watching. Question number 4. Find the rational number P and Q such that 8 minus such that 8 minus 3 under the root 2 divided by 4 plus 3 under the root 2 is equal to P plus Q under the root 2. So look here rational number we are finding. Rational number is already we have defined in the previous question. Those number which are divided by P divided by Q form and Q naught is equal to 0. So here the number rational number is required P and Q. We are find the value of P and Q and that is also divided by rational number. How we can calculate? So look here, it is the rationalization form. So first of all we have already discussed in question number 1. First of all we are trying to finish the square root from the denominator term. So it means that we are here multiply and divide by the conjugate of these terms. Consider the term. Consider the term 8 minus 3 under the root 2 divided by 4 plus 3 under the root 2. We give here first equation A. Now look here, we are taking the conjugate of this one. 4 minus 3 under the root 2 multiply and divide by the same number and also by divide, multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of this number. So numerator are also multiplied with each other. 8 4 minus 3 under the root 2 minus 3 under the root 2 and 2 4 minus 3 under the root 2 divided by, means that first we multiply by this term and second term we are also multiply both on both this term. Just like 8 4 minus 3 under root first time and the second time minus 3 under root into 2 and the 4 minus 3 under root 2. And here in the denominator we are using formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. According to this formula, if we are applying here, we can write here 4 square minus 3 under the root whole square. Now we are multiply this term, open the brackets. 8 multiplied by 4 we get 32 minus 8 multiplied by 3 24 under the root 2 minus 4 multiplied by 3. This 4 is not multiplied by the square root and under square root, but this is we are multiplying by the coefficient of the square root. 4 multiplied by minus 12 under the root 2 minus into minus plus and here 3 under root 2 and 3 under root 2 both are same, so we can write square. This is the same, so we add their power. Exponent. Similarly, here taking square, 4 square 16 minus. Here we cannot cancel to each other. Some students crucial mistake here, 2 square root and this square root directly cancel, so your question is wrong. But here there is the coefficient of this one, so we take first square of this one, then the second steps we are doing here square. Now we cancel to each other, both are cancelled to each other. Now further we simplify this result. 32 minus, here base are same, here square root in the form of square root, so we add their coefficient minus 24 and minus 12, we get 36 under root 2 and plus, similarly here is 3 square, we directly cancel to each other, so this is your great mistake. So we directly cancel, cannot directly cancel to each other. Here first we open each exponent. Here is exponent is 1, so 1 2 multiplied by 2 3, and here 2 under the root square divided by 16 minus 9 into 2. Now 32 minus 36 under the root 2 plus 9, and now this is cancelled, we get here 2 divided by here 16 minus 18. Next step, we 32 minus 36 under the root 2 plus 18 divided by minus 2. Now look here, for this both are we subtracted here, this is plus and this is plus. If we add this result, we get here 50 minus 36 under the root 2 divided by minus 2. That means that we are individually divided by this term, 50 divided by minus 2 minus 36 under the root 2 divided by minus 2. So this is cancelled, we get 25, and this is also cancelled, we get 18. So the final we get here minus 25 minus into minus plus 18 under the root 2. So we get the value of this one. Now we substitute this result in equation number 1. Put this result in equation number A to get what is we get here minus 25 plus 18 to under the root is equal to P plus Q under the root 2. Now we are comparing the form, so this will be equal to P is equal to minus 25 and Q under the root 2 is equal to plus 18 to under the root. Both are cancelled and we get here Q is equal to 18. So this is the answer of this question. P is equal to minus 25 and Q is equal to 18. Simplify the following. Question number 5, part 1. So 25 whole power 3 by 2 into 243 whole power is 3 by 5 divided by 16 3 power 4 into 8 4 by 3. Now we can simplify this term according. Look here, there is we have already discussed in the fraction. We will check In the exponent form, here denominator is 2. It means that some integers are available. If we multiply 2 times, so we will get here 25. So we start here solution. 5 square, we can write 25, 3 by 2. Similarly, here is 5. 5 is, it means that if we take 3 to 43 and we divide by 3, we get here 1 and 3 27 and 3 9 and 3 3 and 3 1. It means that 1 2 3 and 4 5. So we get 243. We can write 3 power 5 because from the denominator term we have already discussed this one. We can write 3 power 5 and here is 5. Divided by here is, it means that we can write 4. It means that we can write 2 power 4. From here we can also write 4 square, but we will change this one because here the power is the denominator is 4. It means that here we can write 16. 16 we can write 2 and 16 to 4 8 to 2 and 2 1. Means that we get 2 power 4 is 4 times. So we will get here 2 power 4 and 3 by 2. Similarly, here is we can write 2 power 3. We get 8 and 4 by 3. Next, according to the double exponent, we have already discussed x power m and whole power n. So we are multiplying this mn. According to this rules, we are applying on each term as 5 square into 3 over 2 into 3 5 into 3 over 5. Similarly, here 2 4 into 3 by 2 into 2 power 3 4 by 3. Now where this is cancelled and 5 are cancelled, 2 and 4 and 3 are cancelled. We get here 5 power 3 into 3 power 3 divided by, here we get 2 power 2 multiplied by 3 we get 6 and 2 multiplied by 4. M and y power m. So we can write x and y and each and one terms. Here we are also applying in this rules 5 3 and power 3 according to this rules. But here is bases are same, so bases are same. Bases are same. Here the base are same. Bases are same here. So we add the power x m plus n. We have already discussed in the previous question. Divided by 2 and 6 plus 4. Next we can write this will be 15. 15 power 3 divided by 2 power 10. And 2 power 10, if we are further simplified, we can write 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15, and 2 is 10 times. We can write this is 10 times. If we further multiply, we will get here, look here, we will get here 15 multiplied by 2 25, 25 multiplied by 5. So we will get here 3 double 3 7 5 and here 8 16 16 5 32 32 and 64 64 16. So we will get here 124 is the answer of this question. 54 multiplied by index form of 3. Index form of 3 index 27 whole power 2x divided by 9 power x plus 1 plus 21 6 3 2 power 2x minus 1 exponent 2x minus 1. Now how we can simplify this result? Here is multiply, this term is multiply. 20 54 we can write, if we multiplies 20 54 we can write in the form of 2, we can write first. So 27 and 3 9 3 3 1 means that we can write 3 power 3 into 2. We can write this term 2 into 3 power 3 we get 54, and to index form we change 27 2x and whole power 1 by 3. Index form we can write, because we have the formula in x index form, if we write x whole power 1 by n, according to this rule we can change this result. Now similarly here we can write 3 square is 9 and x plus 1 plus 216 same we change, divide by 2, so we get here and 2 4 and 2 27 and 3 9 3 3 and 3 1. Now look here, there are 3, we can write 3 cube 2 cube and 3 cube, and 216 we can write here 2 cube and 3 cube 3 2x minus 1. Different rule we are using here, 2 dot 3 power 3 into 27. First we multiply this exponent according to the double exponent rule, x power m, n is equal to x mn. This is called double exponent rule, so we can write 27 2x multiplied by 1. We can this multiply by 1 not into the denominator term, divided by 3, and here is also double exponent rule, we can use 2x plus 2 plus 2 power 3 and to 3 we add these terms according to the rules, 2x minus 1 plus 3. This is the same, so we add their powers. Further we can simplify, we can write 27 2 into 3 power 3 and to 3 power 3 whole power 2x divided by 3, and this will be right, we can write 2x plus 2 plus 2 cube and to 3, here is 2x 3 minus 1 plus 2. Next, this is cancelled to each other. Now this 3 we can add 2x plus 3. 2 and 3 power 3 and 3 2x divided by 3, and here is common, we take common 3 2x plus 2 and 3 2x plus 2 is common. Here is the remaining 1 and here 2 power cube is remaining. Next we simplify 2 and 3 here, according to the rules we can add this one 2x plus 3 divided by 3 2x plus 2 and 1 plus 2x cube is equal to 8. Now 2 and 3 2x plus 3 divided by 3 2x plus 2 and 9, this we will get 9 we can write here further 2 and 3 2x plus 3 divided by 3 2x plus 3 and 3 square. Again we add the power in the denominator, 2 and 3 2x plus 3 divided by 3 2x plus 3 and plus 2. is equal to 2 dot 3 2x plus 3 divided by 3 2x plus 5. 3 plus 2 is 8 plus 5. 2 and 2 3. Now here we use the division rule. According to the rule division rule, x divided by m, x n is equal to, we take one base and we subtract their exponent. Here the bases are same, the case is division, so we take division. Here is changed into minus 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 5 according to this rules. So 2 and 2 3, 2x plus 3 minus 2x minus 5. This minus is multiplied. Now minus 2x plus 2x are cancelled. We get here 2 and 2 3, 3 minus 5 we get minus 2 is equal to 2 and 2 we change according to the negative rule, power of negative rule, so we change into positive, and here we can write 1 divided by next step. Here I am doing here a3 power square, so we get here 2 and we get to 9. 2 divided by 9 is the answer of this question. 216 whole exponent is 2 by 3 into 25 by 2 divided by 0.04 minus 3 by 2. So look here, we have already discussed. So from the fraction, this is base and this is power, and the power we check the denominator here is 3. It means that some integer are available. If we multiply 3 times we will get 116. So it means that this number is, if you do not understand this one, you will check this one. So 216 we can write here. And this number is 6 into 6 into 6 we get 6 power 3, we get 216. This will be 216. So it means that 6 power 3 into, here is denominator is 2, it means that this number is available. If 2 times is multiplies, we get 1 by 2. Similarly, first here we try to finish this number 1. Here point is we try to finish 0, 4 and 4 divided by, in place of decimal we put 1 and this integer 0 and this integer 0. So we will change into fraction, decimal part change into fraction, minus 3 by 2 square root. Now this are cancelled to each other and 2 are also cancelled to each other. But this is, we can write here the same method here using 6 square into 5 power 1 divided by, it means that from the denominator we can write 2 divided by 10 square and whole minus 3 divided by 2 square root is equal to 6 square into 5 divided by, this 2 is cancelled to each other. That means that 2 divided by 10 whole power is, we get here minus 3 square root. 5 divided by 2 divided by 10 whole power minus 3. How we change this one? According to the rules, so first here we can write 6 square into 5 divided by, if we change denominator change into numerator, so their power will also change. So we can write 10 divided by 2 whole power minus 1 and whole power is minus 3 square root. Further we can simplify 6 square into 5 divided by, so minus and minus is 1 is multiplied, 10 divided by 2 and here is 3 square root. Now this are both are cancelled to each other. We can write 5. Now 6 square into 5 divided by 5 power 3 and whole square root. Now according to we change this result, we can write 6 square divided by 5 power 3, and here is power is minus 1, and 6 square divided by 5 square root. Now both are have square, so we can write 6 divided by 5 whole square and square root. Now 6 divided by 5 whole square and square root, we can write 1 by 2, both are cancelled, so we can write the answer is 6 or 5. Part 4, a power 1 by 3 plus b power 2 over 3 into brackets multiply, and a power 2 over 3 minus a power 1 by 3 and b is 2 by 3 plus b power 4 by 3. This is very simple question. Just we are multiplying first this term and also this term, then we take some exponent rule. First I am multiplying this terms. So a 1 by 3, we write the whole term a 2 by 3 minus a 1 by 3 b 2 by 3 plus b 4 over 3. Similarly, we are here multiplying the same plus b 2 over 3 a 2 by 3 minus a 1 by 3 and b 2 by 3 and plus b 4 over 3. So now this term is multiply each terms. A we can write a 1 by 3 and a 2 by 3 minus a 1 by 3 into a 1 by 3 and b 2 by 3 plus a 1 by 3 and b 4 by 3 plus, here first we write a 2 by 3 and b 2 over 3 minus a 1 by 3 and b 2 by 3 and b 2 by 3 plus b2 by 3 and b4 by 3. We add the exponent 8 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus a 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into b 2 divided by 3 plus here a 1 by 3 and b 4 by 3 plus a 2 by 3 and b 2 by 3 minus a 1 by 3, and here we can also add their powers b 2 by 3 plus 2 over 3 plus b here is also add 2 by 3 plus 4 over 3. A this is our same in the denominator, so we directly plus 1 plus 2 divided by 3 plus minus and here a same b1 plus 1 divided by 3 and to b 2 over 3 plus a 1 by 3 b 4 over 3 plus a 2 by 3 b over 2 by 3 minus a 1 by 3 and to b, here denominator are same, so 2 plus 2 we get 4 plus b we can write 2 plus 4 divided by 3. Further we can simplify this result. We can write 8 3 over 3 minus a we can write 2 over 3 b 2 over 3 plus a 1 by 3 and b 4 over 3 plus a 2 by 3 and b 2 by 3 minus a 1 by 3 and b we can write 4 by 3 plus b we can write 6 3 by 6 by 3. Now check here, 3 are cancelled, and a minus 2 by 3 and b 2 by 3, one is positive, one is negative, both are cancelled, and the other a1 by 3 and b4 by 3 both are cancelled. We get here is a plus, and also this is cancelled to each other, we get square, b square. So this is the answer of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching. This is complete exercise 1.2 from the textbook of Punjab and Lahore. Thanks again for watching.